Alright, good day sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa ating channel, Sir Lopez Vlog. At sa araw na ito ay magkakaroon tayo ng quiz sa subject na personal identification. Okay, subject ito ng mga second year criminology students. Alinsunod dito sa ating naunang discussion na ating ipinost sa LS 211. Sa mga hindi pa nakapanood ng LS 211, hanapin lamang sa ating YouTube channel at doon ay magkaroon tayo ng background information regarding our subject personal identification. Okay, so let's start. Quiz tayo ngayon. Question number 1. This is referring to a system of identification done through measuring various bony structure of the human body. Letter A, tattooing. Letter B, scarification. Letter C, anthropometry. Or letter D, anthropology. Question number 2. The first scientific method of identification which was established by Alphonse Bertillon. Letter A, tattooing. Letter B, scarification. Letter C, anthropology. Or letter D, anthropometry. Question number 3 tayo. Tattooing is not reliable as a means of identification because letter A, disfigure. Letter B, change. Letter C, duplicated. Or letter D, all of them. Question number 4. What early method of identification involves the cutting of various parts of the body? Letter A, tattooing. Letter B, scarification. Letter C, anthropology. Or letter D, anthropometry. Ayan, so anthropometry. Question number 5. What system of identification involves several disadvantages such as long time to learn, expensive, applicable only to adult, and subject to error and duplication? Letter A, fingerprinting. Letter B, DNA. Letter C, tattooing. Or letter D, anthropometry. Question number 6. First conviction based on fingerprint and leading case decision in the Philippine jurisprudence. Letter A, People of the Philippines versus Medina. Letter B, People of the Philippines versus Jennings. Letter C, People of the Philippines versus Bartolaso. Or letter D, none of them. Number 7. The scientific study of fingerprint as a means of identification. Letter A, dactylography. Letter B, dactyloscopy. Letter C, dactylomancy. Yan, so medyo mahirap i-pronounce ng mga scientific terms na ito. Number 8, basic principles of fingerprint that is positive and reliable means of identification. It cannot be easily be forged. Letter A, constancy. Letter B, permanency. Letter C, individuality. Or letter D, infallibility. Number 9. This is the study of the prints of the soles of the feet. Letter A, chiroscopy. Letter B, poroscopy. Letter C, podoscopy. Or letter D, palmoscopy. Ayan, palmoscopy. Number 10, last question na tayo. Is an impression designed by the first joint of the fingers and thumb on the smooth surface through the media of ink, sweat, or any substance capable of producing visibility. Letter A, finger. Letter B, fingerprint. Letter C, dactyl. Or letter D, dactyloscopy. Ayan. Okay, so mangyari lamang na i-submit nyo ang inyong mga kasagutan using the link na nandito sa ating description box. Okay, answer natin will appear right after we check your papers. Okay, so sa mga reviewees, basa lang kayo ng basa, daanan ng mata. Okay, and ask the guidance of our Almighty para sure na may pasa natin ang ating hinahangad na maging isang ganap na licensed criminologist. Have a nice day. See you again next meeting.